Welcome back to the channel, The Investworthy. I'm Zishan Ahmed. So today in this video, I'm gonna teach you about the basics of the market, like the first step in the market journey. Like when you start trading, and you took the first step, you sign up with a broker and open an account, and they give you the platform. So the platform today we are discussing is the MetaTrader 5. On the screen, I will show you all the tools, all the toolbars, and all the basics of the MetaTrader 5. Let's move to the screen and see. So here we have MetaTrader 5. When you open first time, this is how it's gonna look like. You find your broker name here, and then for this video sake we are using the meta codes itself. Here you will go the open demo account, put your number, your name, your server address, Forex hedge, your basic currency, and the amount. We start with a $1,000, the leverage of 1 to 500. Your account is open now, and now we can start.
Incoming mail.
So guys, this is how initially it looks alike. This is the way to success. This is the place you're going to play around with the market. You will see what you need, you will do your analysis, you will execute the trades here. This is the platform. This is the most basic platform. For the beginners, MetaTrader 5 is the best. MetaTrader 4 was there, but it's already outdated. Yes, it has some better features, but MetaTrader 5 is full of all the the capacities, whatever the traders require, the maximum number of indicators and the technical tools, all that we require. Position, partially closed, opening position, partially closing the position, opening account. This is what we get in this here. In this MetaTrader, this is the site where your market watch is. Market watch means all the currency pairs you have. All the financial market instruments are there, which are being traded over the counter, over the decentralized market, or a centralized market. You get the liquidity from your broker to access your market panel. This is your toolbox, which has your account balance, your equity, your free margin, exposure, which means like I have a $1,000 account there, and adding a leverage gives me the power of $500,000 to buy or sell any asset available on my platform. So this is the buying power I'm going to use. So this is my history where all my trades, the past trades, will be shown up, and this is the market news which is coming from the broker side or whatever the brokers has subscribed for. Your mailbox, mostly messages come from your MetaTrader, MetaQuartz community. Then we have a calendar, it's being updated, so it's already connected with the economic calendars and upcoming events. Alerts, whatever the alerts you set in your chart, it comes here. Here comes the article which are being every day, new articles which are being published on the MetaQuartz society. So this is your toolbox, you can enlarge it as per your need. This is your journal, whatever the technical sides happening behind your server. Sometimes it's not connecting, sometimes it has a signal issue, sometimes your orders are not logging. Every single action you take on a MetaTrader comes on this side. These are your experts. If you have loaded any robot, a program which will trade for you, it will show up here, the code base. These are the strategies and the scripts which are being uploaded on the MetaCode Society community articles. This is all your toolbox. Then here is the market watch. Market watch means all the symbols you have in your market, which include your share market, your different derivatives, indices, currencies, cryptos, whatever your broker is quoting, they all comes here. You will have, you can see like you have a million, thousands of artists. We are right now we are having 5,000 assets here, which you can trade in the market every second, every single second, every single minute. Gold with euro, gold with dollar, silver with dollar, gold with Aussie dollar, uh, gold with euro, currencies, most different currency pairs with the USD, and then again we have a stocks, and we go up the stocks. Every single asset is being shown here. For example, if you come back to the, this is the window. If you don't see any symbol here, you just right click here and symbols. In the symbols you see all the forex market assets, which includes all the currency pairs. Then you have a metals, precious metals which are being traded on the market, which include gold, silver, platinum, silver, and then gold. Indexes, we have different indexes around. This is basically the derivative of the collection of different companies being traded in a country. For example, this is a Nasdaq. This is often called US 100, US Tech, Nasdaq. This is the 100 tech companies of a US. Then we have a Nike, that is an index of a Japanese market. Then we have S&P 500, like 500 companies of US. Then we have for the Spain, and then we have a Euro stocks 50, FTSE, and in Nasdaq you have a stock. On this platform we have these stocks, all the stocks which are being traded at the Nasdaq exchange, you can see here. Then we have exchange traded fund which are being traded on the Nasdaq. Different stuff are there, and the custom, like the symbol you create by mixing and matching. This is the advanced version. So let's move back to the basics. Here on the top you have all your drawing tool for your technical stuff, the time frame, how you can choose the time frame, then your profiles, default profile. Then you have this strategy symbol list. This is the same again button which we use, right click here, and this is the virtual hosting. Like if you have a VPS enabled on your trading account, so if your system is off, you can direct your trading bot or whatever the setting you have given to your account is being executed through there. And if you want to get the signal from a MetaTrader, then this is the algo trading world. Algo trading world, this is very famous nowadays. Everybody's writing a program to trade for them. They are just converting a strategy from human mind to the computer program. Then this window means a new order. There are two ways to execute in the market. Either you go to the new order and you select your instrument from the list, and then you select the volume, how much you want to buy, and where the price where you want to set the stop loss, and the price where you want to put the take profit. Then we go for this is the, like if you want to zoom in to the chart or zoom out. So this is what, and if you want to take a screenshot of your chart, this is the button. So this is all the market, and the main part, the price, which is being represented by the candlestick. Let's set it to the easier way so it should look easy. You go make a right click, properties, and color on a white, and change the background to little dark, and it will look like this. For removing these indicators, you simply go, these are all the indicators, but these are just a profile which are being loaded, which have already been loaded on your chart. You simply go delete them and see how your chart is being cleared. Now this is the main thing which we are going to do. This is the one click trading button. Like if you want to directly go on the chart and just buy or sell, for example here, this is the volume means the size of the position, the how many units you want to buy of a specific asset in exchange. So this is the price for buying. If you expect that price will go up, you will press the buy, and if you see like market will go down from here, you will put the sell order. So if the market goes down, you will make profit, and if market goes up, you will make a loss. And if you are in a buy position and market goes up, you make a profit, and if market goes down, you make a loss. So these are the different pairs we right now having with the different strategies being used on them. These are the default strategies. These are the time span, like the news already loaded on your chart, and the USD CHF is being shown. Even here, if you look closely on your pair, this is from the MetaTrader 5. Like upcoming news is on 2035, then 20, and the time which is being used for the market is the Eastern Standard Time, that is right now 19, and time here in Dubai it's 9:43. So basically it's a difference, it's the GMT plus 2 most often. So that's why we get the time difference. So these are the basics tools of the market. And if you want to change your chart, you can simply come up here. There's three types of the chart this MetaTrader offer you. The line chart, which is simply the closing price at the time. Right now the price is stuck here, and if you go to the smaller time frame, you will see the big movement in the price. It's going up and down, but line chart will only close like give the final price when it will close. The time it is selected for, it has been passed. For example, if you look here, price was here, then price moved there in the next minute, then the next minute price came here, then price came here, and then here. This is the way how price is moving. So these are all the basics of the MT5. And then there comes the analysis. You go to the drawing chart for a technical analysis. This is your trend line. You have the different settings for your trend line. You come here, right click. So the clicking is a little tricky in MT5 because you have to select the item first and put the arrow directly on draw the object, parameter ray right. You will see the difference. Now we can see the break of trend line, and if we see a horizontal ray, it's a horizontal ray. So horizontal rays, this means the market is in the sideways, but in other time frame it's coming down. Another time frame, another view, another perspective. If you change it to the candlestick will show you a different aspect. Then we have this navigator window. This navigator window has all the tools which is all the indicators and the thing which you need on your chart, or your expert advisors. Your expert advisors all are here. The scripts, whatever you want to run, and the services, and what is being offered in the MetaTrader market. You can buy the bots from there, indicators whichever suit you, utilities, and the favorites. For example, if we want to load an indicator here, for example, the common very basic indicator, that is moving average, come here, put the value, let's say 12, simple, red, let's change the color to blue. You can adjust the size of the line, the width, and now we have a moving average. So this is the basic overview of the MT5. What MT5 hold, the power of the MT5. It has all the tools required for you. It has the instruction for your account and your ping, like what is the speed of your server, how many access points you have right now. So this is how your speed of like you will not see the slippage if you have a good ping here. If you have a low ping, you will have a slow service execution. So how to execute a trade here? It's very easy. We come here, we analyze just for a single time, like let's analyze the pair. We analyze it and we see the difference. This is going down what we expect. So we are saying that the market, for example, if we see here, the market has given us the big drop, then pullback, then continue, then pullback, and now we are expecting that market will go back. So simply what we do, our direction is final. We want to make profit in the in the lower direction. So we will come here and sell. Now the unit, this is the micro, the smallest possible unit you can sell, that is equal to 1000. Like if you come here and the symbol properties, it's a pound. Specification, there you will see the name of pound, which is pound. The sector, currency, the financial sector, this is currency. Its digit, how many digit it has 5 digit after decimal places. To the contract size, if you put 1 here, 1 standard lot, it equals 100,000 pounds. The spread, it's floating. Spread is the difference between these prices. And then we have a stop level, like how many minimum stop level you should be. So in here it's 0, like anywhere you can put your stop loss, so you can follow the price as soon as it is going up. Margin currency, the margin you are going to use, the currency you are going to borrow, it's going to be the pound, and the profit currency is dollar. Calculation is the forex. Hedge margin is 100,000. Yes, it's 100,000. Then chart moved by bid price. On our chart, the real price which is being shown is the bid price. Bid mean the selling price. On the what price somebody is selling it, this is the price you can sell it. Execution instantly, and for the trade you have a full access. GTC mode, this is a type of order which will be executed until it's cancelled. Filling, fill or kill, either it will be filled or it will be slipped. Expiration, orders, every type of order is being accepted on this chart. Minimum volume, minimum 0.01 at a time you can take on trade with this volume 0.01, which means 1000 units, and the maximum you can take 500 standard lots, which means £500,000 you can at a time buy. And then we can go to the volume step. How volume will step? It will by 0.01. The simple here, it's coming like the difference, like 1. Your price will matter on this movement. Swap type, swap, if you have Islamic account, you will not get the swap. Swap is the fee which we are being charged. Like if we hold the asset for a night, it's a margin trading. Our asset is not owned by us. We are using brokers' money to buy, to speculate. If we are swapping on a long, we have to pay 0.2, and if it is being shorted, then you have to pay 2.2. Monday swap rates, what are the rates? These are different by brokers. Then you have a session time, like when your trading should be executed. Sunday, it's no time. From Monday 12 in the morning, like just a midnight of a Sunday, it will start and end on the next day, and till Friday it will be continued. But this is a quote price, like when the price will start showing up. And different brokers have a different time period here, like somebody will start from after 1 hour of a market opening on the Monday, some will start after half hour. Execution, like when your orders will be executed, your TP, your stop losses, or the condition you have set for your order, they will be executed on the time of the trade. So here they are showing you the margin rates, the floating, initial, everything. So let's take a position. So as we know, like we can take at least a 500,000 maximum unit we can use, but now we have already the buying power we have, it's a 500,000, which means if we take a trade over here, for example 500, I think it's not going to be the executed. Request, please request. Yes. So this is the meta code, that's why it's not working. For example, if we put the 1 standard lot here, yes, now we get, we put a 1 standard lot, And now we want to see like what we have bought in which volume. So now in that position which we took, we already used half of our margin, half of our leverage. We had 500 earlier, now we used to buy 100,000 pounds at the rate of 1.2240, and the value, the margin we have used for this is $244. And the rest of us we have, it's right now 486, but the margin we have, like the buying power left, is 245. These are the margin level, these are the free margin, these are the equity, this is the balance. And as we spoke earlier, we are in a buy position, buy side. So on the chart, this is how you set your take profits and your stop losses at the low of the swing and the take profit at the high of the swing. This is the way you are going to execute and trade on the MetaTrader.